right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you, and I am joined by special guest Cory. Cory, welcome back, man.
Thanks.
It does not look like the Cory we saw about a year ago. But you were in our office about a year ago. We did a transplant on you. We will show the before and afters, but wow, what a difference the year makes.
Yes.
Tell us about it. Tell us the good and the bad. Tell us how the year went, and tell us, how the results are to you.
Well, I just saw the before picture prior to having this conversation.
You're still in shock. Right.
I am shocked, yes.
Yeah.
The process was very easy. Obviously, like, you have to have a report the doctor that's going to be doing this type of surgery on you because it is such a life-changing thing.
Yeah.
Having the surgery was completely fun. Like, it wasn't painless. There were points.
Yep.
Being numb was probably the worst part. But after that, everything was okay.
Yeah.
I got home. I kind of felt like there was a little tightness in my where my scar was.
Yep.
Wasn't really any issues as far as like the implants were concerned. But I will say, after a couple of weeks, once you start to see the shedding and then the hair starts to grow back, is when you start to deal with what I think is the worst part is the itching.
Yeah.
And it does become unbearable at some points, but like you told me, I did take Benadryl, and that really did help a lot.
Good.
Because I think you talked to me about histamines or something like that. That get really and that was what was causing the itching. But that was probably the most difficult part about it. But also waiting.
It's a long process. It's a year. You have to be patient with it. Yeah.
You get to a point where it's like, okay, y'all, it's been like 7 months.
I know, right?
Come
on already.
Hair growing, but like, where is all the, you read all of these stories and people are like, you just need to wait. You just need to wait because it's going to be
full 12 months. Yeah.
Yeah, where your hair just starts to grow.
Yeah.
And then, of course, I end up with all of this.
That's right.
I definitely did not expect, my expectations were high because I had already seen the work that you did, but I did not expect a year after having this procedure to look like this.
Yeah. You look 10 years younger. It looks incredible. And you were saying a lot of your friends noticed it and they made some nice comments. Yeah.
That I see, because everyone that has been around me has seen this entire process, and they are completely in shock that they're like, there's no way that you are the exact same person.
Yeah.
But I am, and I'm completely different.
Yeah.
And people will probably be shocked when you show them these photos, because they're going to be like, "There's no way that's the same person."
Right.
I will tell you,
it's you.
It's the
same Cory before and after. Well,
it is the same.
Let's do the comparison. As I'm going to have you just sort of look straight at the camera for a second or two, and then we're going to put up the before pictures right next to you, and then look down for me 1 or 2 seconds. Put your head down. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right. Yep. Drop it. There you go. Perfect. Woo! My goodness. All right, look back up at me, and then look right or left, pick a side. Beautiful, and another way. Awesome. Wow. And your barber can't find the scar in the back, you said. The barber was having trouble. Obviously, you're keeping your hair a little long now, but you had it shorter, and your barber couldn't really tell. Your stylist couldn't tell. So, Cory, what a transformation. Home run, man. Home run.
I mean, it took me a while to do this, but I will tell you guys again, if you are thinking about it, just do it.
Just do it. I know. Just do it. Right.
Yeah.
Right. I tell the same way. Having gone through it myself, it's like, it's easy. Yeah. It's hard to convince someone ahead of time, but when you're on this side of it, it's like, it's a no-brainer. Just do it. Just do it.
Yeah, I would tell anybody that if they're on the fence about it and they've done their research, that they should probably just go ahead, because you'll be grateful.
Yeah, and a year's going to go by anyway. You might as well have it done and be a year down the road. Yeah.
And
what a transformation, Cory! Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. But you're a rock star. I love it. It looks fantastic. Congratulations.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much.
You
I appreciate it.
So welcome. Take care. All right.
Take care. You too. Bye bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.